Hello! In this video, we'll be going over the News tab of the Campus Labs website. To access the News tab, click this drop-down menu and go to News. This will take you to the News Hub where your members and other students and faculty of UAH will be able to see news pertaining to your organization. Here you can search for specific articles of news. Here you can see the archive of articles of news your organization has made. And to create new news articles for this hub, you just click Create Article. This will take you to the article creation page that includes the title of the article, which would be whatever you want it to be, a summary, which sums up the intent of the article in under 250 characters, the body, which will be the article itself, that will be read by members, faculty, or other students, as well as the thumbnail image for the article, which you can click here to add an image. Although if you do not, it will put a placeholder image for your news article, as well as the alternative text for the image for when you hover over the image, if you so choose to have some alternative text. You can adjust the visibility of the news articles, whether or not it's displayed to the public, to your organization, to private individuals, which you can adjust. You can also decide to notify the members of your organization that this news article is released. This is the Notify All Members button. By pressing this, this will inform all your members via the email or text messages that a news article has been released. So this is a good tool for informing your members of ongoing news in your organization. Now to return back to the hub, we click back to news, and whatever article you create will just show up at this hub.